So turn the table around and put all this cable chain and cable mounts on. So let's cable chain in, keep all the wires out of the way. I've just made a board to put all the electronics on, all the power supplies, and just about to wire it in. So got the emergency stop. This will be a three-way switch for electronic, spindle and a light when I get that fitted. So I got the main control board just here, screen, rev counter, RPM, really badly because it was a tiny little pot, on off switch for the motor, and then on the back of the board is just the speed controller and the two power supplies at the moment. So now I just got to run all these wires. I got some trunking somewhere I could use. I have to find that. Where did I put? Ah, there it is. So yeah, I'm going to extend these wires and run them all. Yeah, started tidying up a little bit. So at the moment I'm not going to move everything in the corner because I have to rearrange everything. I'm just going to move the clamp holder and fit the CNC over there at the moment. Anyway, let's carry on with the cabling. Plug it in. Oh, this. So that's working. Okay, if it's all moving right. So that's the machine 90% built. Yeah, I'll show you it moving. I'll do another. I've drawn up some signs. I was making a little sign for my mate's workshop, so I might try that tomorrow. And yeah, I got a CNC machine that works. And it's pretty tidy. The cabling's not brilliant, but it doesn't have to be as long as it's out of the way of the machine. But all the cable chain works. Everything's moving right. Just need to cut some stuff now. So, see you tomorrow. So let's get everything ready and have a go. So that's where it's going to live for now. So yeah, this is the CNC as it is. I'm going to do a cut, just messed about with some tack, saying Mad Taff. I've sprayed a bit of old plywood black, which is what I'm going to use for it. Just playing around with the head, still playing with the stuff. It's been a long time since I used one of these. Let's get this wood screwed down. But anyway, let's get it out, let's have a look. So it came out really good, but yeah, just keep playing with it. I'm going to try some 3D carving next, so the next video will just be me trying some more cuts, but we'll keep playing. That's the idea with this. So that's it for this video. Got a bit long, but yeah, it's find somewhere to put this up in the workshop. I'm just going to try different things, but I'd say that's my first proper cut that's worked 90% okay. So yeah, so next video, more cutting. I'm going to try some 3D carving so I can make some bucks, so I can start doing some aluminium smelting and casting, which is what really I was aiming for with this, because I'm not very good at carving. So hope you enjoyed. As usual, hit the like, hit the dislike, subscribe if you want to see more. And it does help, comments help. The more comments, the more likes, the higher up you go and the more people see your videos. But, you know, mine aren't brilliant. There are better ones out there. I'm not a how-to. I just show what I like to do. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. Take it easy. Have fun.